As you can see, there is no camera in front of me today because Tim likes the 24-70 f4 so much that after filming the entire series that he's keeping it and he's keeping the camera with it. So I don't have one right now, but I have a lot of footage that we've shot over the past couple of months all around the world that I can show you. I hesitate to even call this a kit lens because it really is so much more than that. But yes, this is the lens that comes with the Nikon Z6 if you opt for the nice little box package. It's a lens that's focused on being lightweight and mobile while delivering great optical quality, and like all the other Nikon Z series lenses that we've been using over the course of this show, it is very sharp edge to edge, wide open, and gives great color, contrast, everything you'd expect. It really does go above all expectations. In no circumstances over the filming of our show did we notice any fringing, weird flares, or anything else that just shouldn't be there. Another thing is that we leave D-lighting on high while filming video. And with this lens and all the other Z series lenses, it just gives our footage a little bit something extra. It feels a little more polished, so maybe that's a tip. It really does work well on any Nikon camera that you're filming video with. Travel-wise, it fits on any travel-size tripod very easily, and with the high ISO capability of the Nikon Z series, you can really just kind of use this lens in situations that an f4 lens really was unusable in the past. The build quality is great, and I do not fear putting it in a suitcase to transport it. And the back ring can be customized so you can control aperture easily or any other number of settings that you want, but it makes video and just video production a lot more ergonomic in general. This might just seem like a sales pitch for this lens, but honestly, it is an incredible lens and I have nothing at all to say negatively about it. So there you have it. The 24-70 f4 really is a lens worth having. It is a lens worth picking up in your original Nikon Z6 kit because that is when it's going to be the most cost effective for you. So buy that kit because it really is one of the most useful lenses that you can have in your bag. It's also lightweight and the performance really will blow you out of the water. So thanks for watching, and if you have not yet caught this week's episode of the show, there's a link in the description below for you to check it out.